Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Affirm Holdings Inc. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin investing in Affirm Holdings Inc., first ensure that you have a clear understanding of the company. Affirm is a financial technology company known for offering point-of-sale financing and buy now, pay later services. Next, choose a reliable brokerage platform that supports trading in Affirm's stock. Research popular options, including Robinhood, E-Trade, or Charles Schwab. Once you've selected a brokerage, sign up for an account by providing your personal information. This typically includes your name, email address, and social security number. After your account is created, complete any required identity verification steps. Link a bank account or funding source to deposit money into your brokerage account. Deposit funds that you are comfortable investing in Affirm Holdings Inc. Now, search for Affirm's stock ticker symbol, which is AFRM. Review the stock's performance and relevant financial data, including recent news and market trends. Determine the number of shares you wish to purchase based on your investment strategy. When ready, place your order by selecting either a market order or a limit order. A market order will buy at the current market price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price. Once your order is executed, you will officially own shares of Affirm Holdings Inc. Monitor your investment regularly to track its performance over time. Consider consulting investment resources or professionals for further insights if needed. Stay updated with Affirm's financial reports and market news to make informed decisions in the future. With these steps, you are now equipped to invest in Affirm Holdings Inc. confidently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.